Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set data warning in Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple steps. Simply swipe up your screen for menu, then go to settings application. You can see here the blue one. Okay, after that select network and internet, the first option. Then select internet. Okay, the first option, and select gear icon after the internet name. Then you can see this page, and here is the data warning and limit. Open that. Then you can see the first option is set data warning. Click on that, and it is data warning showing you are using 9.81 GB, and there is data warning for 2 GB as default. So you can simply click that data warning sections to increase the limit. Okay, so I'm not doing that, and here is the settings. So in this way you can simply set data warning limit on your Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.